Cost of the inventory destroyed. On 30 September 20X3, part of the inventory of a company was completely destroyed by fire. The following information is available. Inventory at 1 September 20X3 at cost $12,450. Purchases for September 20X3 $22,150. Sales for September 20X3 $32,500. Inventory at 30 September 20X3. Undamaged items $8,000. Standard gross profit percentage on sales 25%. Based on this information, what is the cost of the inventory destroyed? Answer. Theoretical gross profit, $32,500 times 25%, $8,125. Actual gross profit, $32,500 minus $12,450 plus $22,150 minus $8,000, $5,900. Shortfall missing inventory, $2,225.